Hey guys, today I'm going to be taking you through using anchors. So basically, anchors are these little things which allow us to kind of warp around our page and basically take us around a website. Now, on this website, I'm using two different types of anchors. Those are same page anchors, and I'm also using anchors that will take us to different pages as well. I'm also using a multiple menu system. So if we go to the menu, we have all of these different anchors here as well, but we also want anchors on the site as well, which will take us directly to the menu. So rather than just taking us to the new page that's the menu, we can, if we want to go to the gluten-free section, we're automatically taken to the gluten-free section. So anyway, here we go. Two types of anchors. So first of all, I'm copying over from their old website. So we've got a new section, which is the drink section. Just going to save the page here, and we're going to go to the row settings, which is very simple. Go to the advanced. This is definitely for the green section here. So it's going to take us slightly above the text section. Otherwise, it's going to look ugly. So first of all, we're going to go to the advanced CSS ID, and we're going to put M drinks like that. So this is going to be the specific anchor to take us to the drink section. So here we go. First of all, we're going to do, we're just going to do it here. So if I just type drinks, I'm not going to mess around too much with wordplay here, because that's going to get really, really boring. So we're just going to put a hashtag. We're going to copy the drinks there like so, and we're just going to save the page. All right, so when we spawn the menu again, which we're going to do in a different page, and we click on the drinks, it will take us directly to the drink section. But we're also going to need this in our menu section that is going to take us directly to the page, because if we do this, it's not going to take us directly. If we do this directly, it's not going to take us directly from, for example, the menu here. If I put it up like that, so we're actually going to have to do things a little bit differently. So we're going to go into the menu structure like this. So if for example I do a custom link like so, and add the I've got to put a hashtag in front of it like that, and then what I do is put drinks on it like so. Add to menu. This is the same page anchor for our special menu. As you can see, I've got very childish names for my menus, but then again, I am a giant child myself. So for example, if we were to load the menu section again like so, when this one spawns and loads itself, okay, I have way too many things open. When it does this, it's going to automatically take us to the drink section on the menu page, but it wouldn't do it if it was on the other page. So what we've got to do is we've got to basically just put the website information and text in front of it. Now, like so. So for example, restaurantcolchester.com/menu, going to copy that. We're going to put this here like so. So copy, save menu like that. And what we want to do is this is on a different menu, so primary menu, so like this. I'm going to show you how it doesn't work as well, just quickly. But we're going to, so first of all, we're going to go URL. So that's the menu with the drink section. So drinks like so, and we're going to add this to the menu. Now, just so that you can see, we're going to have a drinks fail so that you can see that this doesn't work. We're going to do hashtag drinks like so, and drinks fail, so that you can see that the hashtag on its own will not take people to the right section of the website. So we're just going to save that for a second. Come on, you can save. I know you can do it. So we're going to go to the menu section like so. So back to the original homepage of the website. I am asking it to do a lot at the moment, so where are we? So here we go. We've got the menu. So drinks fail. It's not going to take it to anywhere. But if we go to the drink section, it's going to take us to the new page. It's going to take us directly to the drink section. If we go gluten-free, vegan, drinks, there we go. We have our anchor texts, and everything functions nicely. Very, very, very simple and very, very easy to implement. I hope this has been helpful. Have a lovely day.